Hello guys, welcome back to Ankita's kitchen. Today we are going to make this amazing paneer recipe, that is cashew paneer. So let's quickly get it started with the recipe. Here I have taken a pan. To that we'll add 4 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot enough, we'll add the paneer cubes and fry it until glorious golden brown in color. Once the paneer is well cooked, we are fried, we are going to take that off the pan, and in the same pan we'll add some cardamoms, jeera and cinnamon. Toss the whole spices for about 30 seconds and we'll add some sliced onions, and we are going to cook it until translucent. We are not looking for any color here. We'll add some melon seeds, some cashew nuts, give it a good mix and cook it for about a minute. We'll add some salt to taste, some ginger paste. Again, we'll cook this for about a minute. A splash of water so that everything cooks well. Here the mixture is ready. Now we'll let the mixture come to the room temperature and we'll blend it. Here I'm using the same pan. To that we'll add the paste and we'll also add some water, like half a cup of water. To that we'll add a tablespoon of curd, mix very well. Some more water for the gravy, some fresh cream. Give it a good mix so that the cream doesn't split, and then we'll add the fried paneer. Don't forget to check the salt. And we'll cook the paneer for about 3 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll add some kasuri methi, just a pinch of kasuri methi. And your cashew paneer is ready to be served. You can serve this with roti, naan, pulao, or anything that you like. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.